Good morning! Welcome to another daily vlog. So as you can see, my hair is kind of damp because I just showered a few minutes ago. And right after showering, I did my skincare routine already. So I have an updated morning skincare routine and I have 3 products to show you. So ito, alam nyo na, I think I showed this on my last skincare video. And it's this Face Republic Gold Mineral Cleanser. And ayan, paubos na siya as you can see. I also have a backup because I love this so much. So ayan, after I finish this up, I'm gonna open my new one. And this is like a gentle exfoliating cleanser. Actually, I really don't feel it exfoliating my skin, but I really like this for brightening. So this is my everyday morning cleanser. Next step I do, this is a new addition to my skincare routine. This is the Face Republic Vita Capsule Luminous Serum. So I actually saw this from Ate Tony Sia and I just really love this. I use this morning and night, and this is also for brightening. And I just love brightening products during the morning because I feel like whenever I wake up, parang dull yung skin ko. So this is a good addition. I used it today and as you can see, my skin looks so healthy and glowy, and I didn't put any highlighter on my face today kasi nga feeling ko enough na to. So I really love this. Again, I use this morning and night. I actually just put it on the palm of my hands because I saw a video that you shouldn't be putting it on your face directly kasi mapupunta yung germs sa actual product. So ayan, just put it on your palms and then rub it and then you can pat it on your face. So I really love this product. I think this is one of my favorites so far. And of course, our last step to our skincare routine, yung kailangan talaga na hindi nyo kakalimutan sa skincare routine nyo for the morning, it is sunscreen. So this is what I use today. This is called the Face Republic Purity Sun Essence SPF 50 plus PA++++ sun protection. So ayan, this is what I used. So for my recent skincare routine, ito yung 3 products na ginagamit ko for the mornings. And then later tonight, after I do my daily routine, I don't really have a routine anymore because I'm on my summer break, but I'm gonna show you my nighttime skincare routine as well later tonight. So stay tuned for that. And by the way, if you're wondering, I only have blush, a bit of concealer, powder, and mascara, and also my eyebrows on today. And I don't have any highlighter or foundation. And as you can see, my skin gives that healthy glow to it. I really think it's because of these products that I use. It's really for brightening your face. So yeah, I'm gonna go on with my day now. Hi everyone, as you can see, it's already nighttime. I'm already wearing my sleeping shirt and the time right now is 12:10 midnight. I know it's super late, but I'm ready to do my skincare. For today, I just watched some K-drama. I actually watched and finished Weightlifting Fairy Kimbokchu, which was so cute, and I started Descendants of the Sun. So yeah, I'm really obsessed with watching K-drama right now, so if you have any suggestions, just comment them down below. After that, we had dinner with family and some relatives because it was my sister's birthday. And now I'm ready for bed. But before that, I want to do my skincare. I already washed my face. Tinanggal ko na yung makeup ko from this morning. And I actually want to do a mask. I know I should be sleeping right now, but I just wanted to try this mask out. This is from Face Republic. Ito yung brightening lemon extract mask nila. So this is their Sleeping Beauty face mask. So I guess this helps you sleep, if I'm not mistaken. There's just days that I love wearing face masks because they're so relaxing. As you can see, meron pa siyang ganito. I don't know if you can actually wear this while you're sleeping. So, while waiting for my face mask, I think I'm just gonna watch K-drama first.
여보세요?
유시진 씨? 박모연입니다.
끝났어요, 수술?
네.